GitHub Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into GitHub, one of the most widely used platforms for version control and collaboration in software development. Links to GitHub and related resources can be found in the description below. GitHub is a powerful tool designed primarily for developers, but it's also useful for teams and organizations looking to streamline their development processes. At its core, GitHub is built around Git, a version control system that allows developers to track and manage changes to code over time. The platform's repository-based system makes it easy to store, share, and collaborate on code with others. One of GitHub's standout features is its branching and merging system, which allows multiple developers to work on different parts of a project simultaneously. With GitHub, you can create different branches, work on isolated features, and merge them back into the main project when they're ready. This minimizes the risk of conflicts and makes collaboration on larger projects more manageable. Another great feature is the pull request system. When you're ready to merge your changes, you can create a pull request, allowing team members to review your work, provide feedback, and discuss any issues before merging it. This improves collaboration and ensures that code quality stays high. GitHub also offers integrations with tools like CI/CD, Slack, and Jira, making it easier to automate workflows, track progress, and stay connected with your team. Additionally, the GitHub Actions feature allows you to set up custom workflows for building, testing, and deploying your projects. For open source enthusiasts, GitHub is a dream. It supports public repositories, allowing developers to contribute to countless open source projects, while also offering private repositories for teams who need to keep their work secure. GitHub's issues and project boards let teams track bugs, tasks, and feature requests in an organized way, further improving project management. The platform's community features, like GitHub discussions and gists, make it easier to share knowledge, collaborate on code snippets, and ask questions. The GitHub Marketplace also provides access to various third-party tools and integrations that can enhance your development experience. The downside? While GitHub offers a robust free plan, certain advanced features, such as private repositories for teams and advanced security tools, are only available with the paid plans. Still, the free tier is more than enough for individual developers or small projects. In conclusion, GitHub remains a go-to tool for developers and teams looking to manage code, collaborate, and streamline their workflows. With its powerful features, integration capabilities, and vast community, GitHub is definitely a platform worth using for any serious developer. Check out the links in the description to get started with GitHub today.